Yeah, upon the night, the morning, the New Year morning.
Wagwan people, one of you do hope everybody doing good. Respect for tuning in to another video. And the mere fact so now see the video and I watch the video right now. Everybody live to see the year 2022. You see what I say? Yeah man, I'm wishing a prosperous new year. You see what I say? Hope great things unfold for you. You see what I say? And all I want to be a support the Ansel agenda throughout the year 2021. The support is much appreciated. You see what I say? I'm going to continue to support the channel in the new year 2022 just the same. You see it? Yeah man. So while everybody else have a good year, Jahshii start off the year on an unlucky mood. You see what I say, people? Yeah man, a very bad state right now. Jahshii, I wake up to this at 5 a.m. in the morning and we get to realize that the news already up on the media before that. So Jahshii made a post on his Instagram story tagging his location, making us know that he is in Santa Cruz. As well as people, and you can see the handcuff on him hand. So one would have feel say yes, him there in the Santa Cruz police station in a lockup. Is it people not sure what transpired, but I think a day before or during the day yesterday I did saw an ad from Jahshii promoting a party in Santa Cruz. So I'm not sure if at the party them hold him or while he was traveling to or from the party. Is it people, but yeah. At that one, I'm have the clippings to show now, but definitely the fans them feel like say the interview marked this man for life. Yeah man. Them not gonna stop targeting him. And we see foot type run out with there and a big theme. You see it? And it just feel like everything on full right now, people. And definitely the artist start off the year on a bad note. In a lockup. Is it pre? So not sure by now if them release him. But yeah, people, Jahshii did went live from the Santa Cruz police station in a handcuffs, as one can see in the intro. And definitely I'm gonna check out the live, is what I say. So pre-wag one.
Hello, sir. Yes. What do you want to know about him? No, they come to me. Yes,
JP 990.
Maybe that have to go down tomorrow morning, sir. I mean, later because it's after 12 now, so maybe tomorrow morning that. I'll be just meeting still here tomorrow morning. No, the person. Miss Brown, you have any bill of farm?
Yeah.
The person who walk up here. One over there.
They never carry ID.
Yeah, I did it.
They carry ID?
No, I'm not his ID. I don't remember.
Film ID. If you did have film ID, you could have get him one shorty.
The person who bail him have to have a light bill or water bill is supposed to be in there.
Alright, let the JP write a letter saying more. You're not to get a picture come right now.
I know we not in though, understand me, you said to him, Miss Brown.
If you have a $50,000 JP, I will write you up. If you don't pay that bill or water bill in your name, make the JP write a letter saying no, you are where you live.
So what about the land paper?
Eh?
You don't need land
I
title.
shall do this. We'll take up the bike.
Clock same alright.
Okay. No, say back in the night. I knew you were ready. And you have to go get him from the bike. You look.
You don't say, we're shitting at yourself.
Make it shitty nice. When cool man them come, they will hear back a feedback from no man Rocky Hill. Friends were really going to me. Alright, go and come phone, but check the damn phone. Let's soon take it fling you away.
Which one you came up, rock and roll one? Right. Where the room? Saturday.
See, I want to have more people in my carry again. Like I want to have more people in the store. So around 3 or 4 somebody have come.
So the people move to your right, Good. Along close to you. Right. What's the date of birth, Mr. Wally?
14 and November 2019.
14 November 2019.
Happy New
Yeah, man, people. So, based on now, at 5 a.m. in the morning, that's the update with my phone. No? As what I say, yeah, the fans them feel like say, yo, them a target him. And then you have some other people feel like say, yo, the ego I get to him, the hype, him can't control it. Is what I say, but people, the thing does look away now, the effort now. And time, like day by day, is like there's something new with Jahshii name involved. But anyways, people, stay tuned for the details. Definitely not gonna get the update right. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like the video. Follow me on Instagram at Dancehall Agenda. And share the video so everybody can be aware just the same. I'm out.